We pick up the Bible and we read and we try and find ourselves. We pick up the Bible and we focus in on ourselves. And so the Bible becomes about our wants, our needs, our aspirations. The Bible is all about our happiness, even our holiness. The Bible becomes no better than Christian self-help. Now, to be fair, the Bible does speak to us, doesn't it? It does speak to our wants and needs and aspirations. It does speak to our happiness and our holiness. It does help us become better Christians. But realize the Bible does all of that not because it centers on us, but because it centers on Christ. Because of our natural self-centeredness, we need the Christ-centeredness of Scriptures. Why? So that the Christ-centered Scriptures would reform us into a Christ-centered people. You see, Christ as the center of the Bible reminds us that the God of the Bible is a God who saves.